Hey guys, this is Long Guy 28 here, and we're at my the grandparents that live at the farm. We're going to be cold starting all of their lawn equipment. So we got their push mower, Echo PV1000, Echo PV4600, Echo GT225, Troy-Bilt Intech 190, 5.5 horsepower, Briggs & Stratton rototiller, 1964 John Deere 110, and the Cub Cadet GT2542. So, start with these. Hopefully you guys can see this pretty well. I'll try and do it the best I can. See if I can get it straight. Stay. There you go. We're gonna start with the push mower. Okay. I have to show you. This has already been cold started. The tractor that you're sitting on has been cold started, and the 110 has been cold started. Everything else has. Let's start off right away. So, next is the Echo PV1000. This might not start up very well because it doesn't have much gas in it, so we'll turn it on, put it on trim, and we'll see how many pulls it takes. Alright, fire the first shift. Next is the Echo PV4600, so we'll turn it on, put it on choke. Power bulb is not doing pretty good, so this should still start in 1 for lucky, and it'll come start. Next is the Echo GT225, so turn it on, choke, press 5 times. Here we go. It doesn't like to run very well, but we'll move you over a little bit so you can see the Troy-Bilt rototiller. Where's this at here? So, next we'll start the one we're sitting on, the GT2542. Just pull the key, turn the key. This is already been cold started. Okay, oh, on the thing again. Last one, John Deere 110. Already been cold started too. So. Okay, so yeah, that has been a cold start of all of their lawn equipment. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you. Bye.